Hello viewers, I am Shamsundar Patil, lecturer in Government Polytechnic Nandurbar. Welcomes you in Unit 2 Transmission Media and Switching. By this unit, we will be able to understand the communication media, explain classes of communication media, understand guided and unguided media, able to classify transmission media, and lastly, we can give applications of transmission media. Firstly, we will see what is transmission media and communication media. Transmission means something carried from one place to another place. Or broadly we can say, it can be defined as anything that can carry information from a source to a destination. In this figure, we will see there is one sender and receiver. So last layer of the TCP episode, we are seeing here physical layer, and the data transmission will be carried out by this physical layer with the help of cable or air. Now here cable and air are the transmission media which will carry the signals or the data bits from sender to receiver. Now here we will see the classes of transmission media. Transmission media can be broadly divided into main two categories. First one is guided, that is wired, and second one is unguided, that is wireless we can say. Further, guided media can be further classified into twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. Unguided media can be classified into free space. So here we are broadly focused on the free space, or we can say unguided media. So what is unguided media? Unguided media transports electromagnetic waves without using a physical conductor. Physical conductor here means the wire or the physical medium that will carry the signals. So again, this type of communication is often referred to as wireless communication. So basically, unguided media transports in the form of electromagnetic waves with the help of air or with the help of frequencies, that is radio waves, microwaves, without the help of physical conductor. Transmission happens from sender to receiver will be called as wireless communication. Again, signals are normally broadcast through free space and thus are available to anyone who has a device capable of receiving them. Again, we will move forward to the classification of wireless media. Wireless communication may be done via radio frequency communication, microwave communication, infrared short range communication. Now these are classified on the basis of their frequency channel or what the frequencies they carry. Obvious, radio waves, microwaves and infrared have the different carrier frequencies or frequencies. On the basis of that they are classified. In this figure this can be seen. So here in wireless transmission and receptions are achieved by means of an antenna. Antenna means something which will attract or capture the signal for the purpose of transmission. So there are two types, directional and omnidirectional. Directional transmitting antenna puts out focus beam and transmitter and receiver must be aligned. So these are the two main aspects in directional. And in omnidirectional, signal spreads out in all directions and can be received by many antennas. So here directional means we will focus on the direction and must be aligned. Transmitter must be aligned. In omnidirectional, signal spreads out in all directions and can be received by many antennas. Last but not the least, we will see the application of that. It involves security systems, televisions, remote control, Wi-Fi, cell phones, and wireless power transfer, computer interface device, and various wireless communication based on projects. Thank you.